Today was our first, hopefully annual, Best in Fashion show. We coupled with UNT's fashion department, their fashion design students, and we reached out to the professors. They got a hold of the students, and we had 4 designers out of their program come out and walk some of our dogs and present their garments, and everybody got to have a little fun. The student designed all of the clothing. You saw their own clothing. All 4 designers brought all of their models. They didn't receive any payment. They did this all with the good of their heart, all for the proceeds to go to our emergency medical care fund, which actually helps the shelter take care of the injured and sick animals we intake. And that fund is thanks to Denton Animal Support Foundation, a local organization that specifically works with the shelter. They are one of the huge reasons our shelter, as a city shelter, is able to compete with private rescue groups and be involved in our community so much.
All right, here are the numbers for the dog. 640-091.
Come out to our shelter, City of Denton Animal Shelter. We're at 3717 North Elm Street. All of our adoptions, dogs and cats, cost $60. They're all spayed, neutered, microchipped, and fully vaccinated before they're ready for adoption. They can go home with you same day.